So, so that's what has happened. That is the breakthrough. And so hence we have this ability to create, sort of to understand, or we have created an algorithm that demonstrates understanding in a fascinating, at a fascinating level, let's say. So that's one piece of the puzzle. But of course, that in itself, in an isolated fashion, uh, in a day-to-day operational work, cannot provide enough value. Even if I ask a question and get an answer, even that provisioning of the answer, there is a component of execution in it, right? It has to act, it has to provide something. So that gap between understanding and execution still kind of exists despite the existence of Gen AI, form factor, especially, let's say, the large language models or the LLMs. And in order to close that gap, a new form factor has been defined, namely the agents, with their current definition, meaning that you have essentially a piece of software that at its core has got this Gen AI or general intelligence or this LLM, and then the software helps organize, the needed prompts for a particular context, or it provides the needed data according to an available context, or the memory, or even tools, etc. And the agent can then provide the answer or even take further action, right? So that's the definition of the agent. So we talked about kind of ML, what ML can do. We kind of transitioned to what is meant by this kind of general intelligence and what Gen AI can do. And then we transition into, what an agent does.